County, see if this is a tornado emergency for the city of Tulsa.
This is going to be just northeast, but not those as it moves east.
This is another El Reno situation.
These are 5-minute tracks. Each one of these lines is about 5 minutes, and the updated track puts this potential tornado
Osage.
about 554 TU area.
Rogers County. That's for the Sand Springs tornado, ain't it?
Northeast Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed extremely dangerous tornado was located near Tulsa and moving east.
Oh my Lord.
This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible.
Yeah.
Locations in or near the path include Jenks Riverside Airport,
We take a look toward downtown
Tulsa
Tulsa.
International
Sure
Airport,
see
Tulsa,
a
Broken
card.
Arrow, KTSA,
It looks like
This includes Interstate 44 between mile
Yeah, if it's still on the ground, you bet.
Storm has a
Oh my God.
what we're looking at is the rotations up a little
Folks,
but again,
Rogers County is now under tornado warning, and Osage.
That's what helps spin up this tornado. Just